Guys, welcome to another episode of the DMZ Tech Show. I'm your host, Jonathan Parkinson. In this episode, we're going to be talking about Google Keep, which is for our Android tablets, but it is also available on Android smartphones, Chrome OS devices, the Google Chrome browser, iOS devices, and I believe it's on the Windows Mobile as well. I'm not 100% sure on that, so if you do have any idea, you can go ahead and leave a comment, and I'll go ahead and correct that in the description. But getting to this, as you can see, I created a nice little test note. So I did that by pressing this plus sign, and as you can see, the very bottom application right above the red X is going to be a typical note. The next one above that is going to be a list, then by photo, and then by voice dictation. So opening it up, as you can see, you can come in here to create a title. You can go in here and write whatever your note's going to be. You then can decide how you want to remind yourself. So it can be a time reminder, or it can be a location reminder. Come up to the top and you can edit what color of the note what you want it to be. The little man with the plus sign next to him next to the paint palette is going to be adding another user who wants to have access to this as well, so you can collab with other individuals. The photo is going to be if I want to add a photo. Then there's the archive button. You can come in here and delete the note, add a label. When you add a label, it's going to look like this, so then you can kind of organize everything. Then you want to make a copy or send it or show checks boxes. So let's say you start this this note like this, or sorry, this little Google Keep note, and then you can come in here and you decide, you know what, actually I want to go ahead and add check boxes. Just do that. Then you can come in here, add checks, and that's all you need to do. And then once you have this set like this, you come in here and you hit a check mark. As you can see, it moves down there and it crosses out. And that's all it when it comes to the Google Keep. So you can also change over your view what you'd rather that looks like, multi-column. So if I have multiple notes right here, you're going to see, I'll just make one quick one real quick. You're going to see it's going to look like that. And then if you change over to the single column view, it's going to look like that. And of course you can touch and hold one, move it down, and readjust them if you want to do that. Coming over to the notes section, you can see that there's the notes, the reminders, so you can see all your reminders that you have, your archive list, what you've trashed in the recent times. I believe you get 4 to 8 hours before it's completely deleted. Then you can see all of your labels that you've created. I believe it starts off with inspiration, personal, and work, and then the car and house I created myself. And that's it when it comes to the Google Keep for Android tablets and or all platforms. If you do have any question or comments, this application gets updated probably about once every 3 to 6 months, give or take, and new features usually implemented. But if you do have any questions or comments, or maybe this video is not lining up for you, I will try to help you as best as possible. You can leave it down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next video. Peace.